Hey guys, hello. I wanted to bring you in because I'm trying something new that I wanted to share. I don't know if this works or not, but I'm going to give it a try. It is called electroculture. So I went to Lowe's and got myself, I guess, a 10 feet of copper, the one that's easily bendable. And as you can see, it's bent at the bottom, bent at the top, and then you have the coils, and you just stick it in the ground. But I'm going to try and attempt to do it for my garden. I want to see, it's supposed to make everything grow twice as fast, because the whole purpose of it is the energy is pulling energy from the atmosphere, and thus making your fruits and vegetables grow a lot faster, and no need for fertilizers or anything of that nature. I don't know, like I said, if this works, but I'm gonna give it a go. I planted this, oh my God, months ago, and it hasn't done anything. So I went ahead and added this to it. Let's see if it takes off. Today is the 6th of June. So we're just, again, an experiment. Time to check the progress. It is the 16th of June. Let's check the progress on how the plants are doing, because I'm telling you what. So here we go. The first one, I put one here. Look at this. They are all up, which that wasn't the case. These guys, these peppers were like down to here. In 2 weeks, look at how much it's grown. Look at this. And this guy is full of, bless you. Look at that. Look at that. I am just, you see that? It's just taking off. I am so pleased. Some of them obviously didn't get pollinated very well. But let's look over here. Let's go, where else did I? The little pepper that I told you I planted forever and nothing was happening. Can you tell how much it's grown? Even look at these guys. Look at all the new growth it's got. I mean, I'm just surprised. I'm very surprised. And then let's look over here and see. Look at this one. Look at the tomatoes. This one seems to be a little bit like not doing as good, because look at the leaves. I don't know what's going on with this tomato plant. It's been acting up. And then look at this. I am getting some little peppers. Look at that. I cannot believe how well it's doing. Okay, so it's still being eaten. Look at this. I don't know what else to do, you guys. I think I'm gonna put some of that dust on it to keep them, because look, they're just devouring my plant. Maybe I should move it from here. And then she is starting to do wonders as well. I'm just tickled that it's actually working. This one back here, I did not put one back here, but this plant is also doing very well. As you can see, look at the tomatoes. Oh my God, I'm so tickled. I can't wait.